Many of us are aware of WhatsApp's primary security features, two-step verification and end-to-end encryption. Now, Meta has recently announced that it will soon introduce more security features to keep your WhatsApp account safe. These are Account Protect, device verification and automatic security codes. Let's understand them in detail. When a user wants to move his or her account to a new phone, WhatsApp will ask for a confirmation on the old one, adding an extra layer of security. This will alert the user in case anyone else is trying to initiate an unauthorized transfer of their account to another phone in order to read their messages. This feature is aimed at safeguarding your account from malware that might use your phone to send spam or unsolicited messages. The user does not need to do anything. There are additional background checks that allow WhatsApp to authenticate your account and keep it safe. With this new feature, users will be able to verify the chat conversation is secure just by tapping on the encryption icon on the contacts information page, rather than the current process of scanning a QR code. WhatsApp has stated that the features will be available to all the users in the coming months. Do tell us your thoughts on these new WhatsApp security measures in the comments. And stay tuned to Gadgets 360 for all things tech.